Greetings, my name is Kishan, and I'm here to talk about the Lab 4, which is Wayne Bridge Oscillator. Okay, in this lab session, basically I have two objectives for this lab session, which is to design the Wayne Bridge Oscillator and to design an audio frequency sine wave oscillator with the chosen frequency. Okay, there are two parts for this lab session. Part 1, I've covered the part 1, and my lab partner has covered the part 2. Okay, for part 1, our task is to design and simulate of a Wayne bridge oscillator. Okay, the circuit is given over here, and our job is to construct it using multisim software with the given values and run to get the output. Okay, we have obtained the output frequency using the given formula, which is 1 over 2 pi RC. R and C, we have already at the values for resistor and capacitor. We need to just substitute it and calculate. Okay, for the variable resistor, which is 100 kilo ohms, the output was not stable, it has been distorted. Okay, then uh, using the hint that is given for us, which is RF or 2RA, we were able to adjust the resistor value to get a nicer output waveform without any distortion. Okay, the percentage value of the variable resistor is around 64%, something like that, within that range. Okay, this is the output waveform, and the okay, as we have done the calculation, our frequency was 1.28. By doing the circuit construction and running the output, we were able to get the frequency around the calculated one, which is 1.28, and the peak amplitude was 28.2 volts. And for the part 2, my lab partner will discuss further. Thank you.
My name is Gayatri, and I'm going to explain about part 2 of the lab. In part 2, we have to choose the frequency on our own that lecturer suggested us. The frequency that I chose is 13.5 kilohertz. This is the formula to find the resistor value. I use the formula FO equals to 1 over 2 pi RC. Thus, I found the value of resistor is 534.78 ohm. Okay, by using this chosen frequency, I draw the circuit in multisim. This is the circuit analysis in multisim. Okay, the variable resistor value is 80 kilo ohm and the percentage of the variable resistor is 50.3%. Then the value of the resistor I used is 470 ohm in R2 and R5. After draw the circuit in the multisim, we have to run the circuit, and this is the output with distortion, and the frequency gain is 13.5 kilohertz, and this is the output without distortion, and the output signal with the frequency of 13.5 kilohertz. About the simulation of this lab. Thank you.